Happy Thursday, friends. Happy Thursday to you. Today, we're going to talk about two oils that your skin is going to love. I mean, check this out right here. So, today's buy one, get one free offering by doTERRA is you buy the Immortelle anti aging blend and you get Frankincense Touch for free. Now, my bottle may look a little bit different because they've changed the packaging. This little package here of the anti-aging, if you do not have this one in your stash yet, you're going to want to hear more about this because this is used in my house for way more than anti-aging. In fact, a lot of people would say they want to have their Immortelle on a desert island even more than their frankincense. So you'll want to stick around to hear a little bit why you want this in your medicine cabinet. So, yes. Okay, let me switch this around here so you guys can see this. So yes, it's buy Immortelle, get Frankincense Touch for free. I think there might be a limit of 3 items. I'm not sure, but usually there is a limit of number of these that you can get. This is $92 for non-members and $69 for those that are members. What a great day to bring frankincense into your life as well, especially if you're like me and you're low on your actual frankincense bottle and you're waiting till December for the free frankincense. So let's dive in here to talking about Immortelle. How many of you have issues that you're dealing with your skin, whether it be issues like blemishes or wrinkles or fine lines or any of the things? Let's talk about skin health. This oil blend is going to be very regenerating, very replenishing to your skin, because the oils that are in this are frankincense. So you're going to have your frankincense in this blend, Hawaiian sandalwood, lavender, myrrh, helichrysum, and rose. And these oils, if you're wondering just a little bit about pricing, why is this BOGO item a little bit pricier? Because number one, this is a 10 milliliter bottle and it is undiluted. So even though it comes in a roller, it is not diluted. These are straight oils that are in here. And some of the oils that are in here, the frankincense, the Hawaiian sandalwood, the myrrh, the helichrysum, actually all the oils that are in here except for lavender are much more difficult to source. And especially the helichrysum and rose, that plant material does not yield as much essential oils as some of the others like lavender. So that's what makes the prices change whenever you have your oils at different times, because again, frankincense is sourced, doTERRA sources their frankincense, actually a blend of different frankincense resins and species from Somalia. They grow on trees on cliffs that have snakes living in them. Like, the sourcing of those is very challenging. So the sourcing and the amount of plant material that it takes to produce the essential oil changes the price of them. So skin health. So this is a very precious oil. In fact, I don't even have rose in my stash except for rose diluted at Rose Absolute. So this is another way to bring rose into your skin health as well. You can apply a thin layer of this to your face, your neck, your décolletage. And so any target areas that you want to use, any sunspots or blemishes, you can apply this to reduce the appearance of blemishes. I'm going to give you an oil hack with this. I would split this when you get this in the mail. You want to split this bottle into 2 roller bottles and add a carrier oil to it. Now, I probably would not recommend using your fractionated coconut oil, especially if you plan on mostly using this on your face. I find that fractionated coconut oil can be clogging to the pores. So you want to pick a carrier oil that will go well with your face. So, for instance, a jojoba oil or an almond oil, a grapeseed oil if your skin happens to be more oily. I actually use an oil combination from, let me see if I've got it here. Yeah, I actually use a skin combination or an oil combination here from our Glow Skin Shop. Here, let me show it to you guys here. This is a combination from a shout out to Lindsay Gunsalls, who owns the Glow Skin Shop. She's also a part of um, our doTERRA organization. And this has a grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, marula, argan, rosehip, um, and then it also has a few of doTERRA's oils in it. So I use this as a combination with my Immortelle as my carrier oil. But number one, that will not only stretch out your oils to last longer, don't worry, it won't reduce the effectiveness, but it will also allow you to, if you have any kind of skin sensitivity to these, you'll have a carrier oil already added to it. So high five, pro oiler tip there for you. There'll be no charge for that. Okay, you're going to use this for any kind of cuts and scrapes. Because of the myrrh and the Hawaiian sandalwood and the frankincense in there, this is really good for your thyroid health. You can just roll it on your neck area. I love the beauty of this is in a roller because it's ready to go. This is actually an oil I usually take with me. This is also very beneficial for eye health. So you can actually roll this oil around the eye area, about like just on the bony part of the area. Careful, you don't want it to drip into your eye area itself. But just roll it around or apply with your, you can roll it right on your finger here and then apply to the bony part of the area. This will really help with your eye health. You're improving your eyesight, but also even any kind of parts of your skin that have some growth areas that you are concerned about. You can put it on those areas too, because remember, you've got your frankincense in there as well. You can use this to help with your immune system. A lot of these oils are very supportive to the immune system. You can also use this in supporting your brain health, neurological support. So think about if you have kids or you yourself deal with challenges with attention or focus or hyperactivity. This is really great for rolling along the back of the neck, right along that occipital bone there, and really helping supporting neurological, the brain. I love adding this with my yarrow palm. So layer this with your yarrow palm to any of those challenging areas on the skin. So as you can see, this oil is way more than just an anti-aging oil, okay? This is why so many people love this blend. And this is a great way to get, if you're going to buy Immortelle, the pricier oil, at least get it at a time when you can also get your frankincense touch for free. So let's talk about frankincense touch. How many of you have frankincense touch in this roller like this? Or maybe you've just made a roller of it for yourself. If you do not have frankincense in your home, this is a great way to at least bring it into your home topically. Now, in our home, we use frankincense aromatically and also internally, but this is a great way to bring it into your body topically. It's very soothing. It's very strengthening. And let's talk a little bit about this frankincense touch. This is an oil I actually, you can see here. This is my backpack that I carry. And you can see here my holder, my oil holder. Actually, let me show you so you guys can see more clearly. My oil holder here is missing a roller. Yeah, it's because I usually carry my frankincense touch with me right there. You never know when you're going to need your frankincense touch. So either your Immortelle or your frankincense touch. I usually just carry my frankincense touch because it's a little bit less expensive. So if I'm going to take it with me everywhere I go, I'm not as concerned if something happens to it. I would still be sad, but you can think about using your frankincense touch to reduce any kind of appearance of fine lines, again, cuts, scrapes, things like that. And yes, these are similar because your frankincense is in here, but just like we talked about before, your body loves variety. And so your body may find that like I may use this around my eye area for fine lines and wrinkles, but my frankincense I use on my areas where I have some concerns on some growths. So um, use use them as like a 1-2 punch for your body, and the ability for your body to have variety. Our bodies love variety. When we're eating a salad, you don't say like, what's the best type of salad for me, because you know that all the different ingredients that go into a salad, you may make it differently the next time you eat one, because you know that the different parts of the salad, the asparagus tips that you might put in there, or the cucumbers or the sprouts, that each one of them is beneficial to you in different ways. And the variety is what benefits your body. So, this is what the way you're going to use these two oils. I'd love to hear how you use these in your home. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want access to this and to give to other people or for yourself, you can. Let me see. Let me share the link here with you guys. Yeah, just go to go.3lifeessentials.com/BOGO week, and I'll make sure that you have that information. And also, if you are new to doTERRA, or if you know someone, who do you know that could benefit from some of these things that we've talked about, you can actually go to this link right here where it says new to doTERRA, and they can actually get started today with the BOGO box. I think that's still available. If it's not, they could actually just get the BOGO items for today and tack on a membership. And you'll see how they can actually do that over on the first page. Here, if you click on Thursday, you'll see there at the very bottom, it says new customers, click here. They'll be able to click right there and be able to check out. Now, this would connect them to me. So if you already have a wellness advocate that you're working with, or you yourself are a wellness advocate, just make sure that they check out with your information and not ours. If that's us, you're welcome to utilize these links. And if you have any questions, just text me. Just text the word oils. Here's my number. It's 832-509-5093. You can see it on the screen there. Just text me that information. Text me the word oils. That way I know what you're wanting to talk about. Hey, I'm giving a free BOGO ebook at the end of this week. So if you'd like to know how to use all of the items that are happening this week, just text that same number to me and let me know, and I'll make sure that you get that that free ebook that I've created. There are 2 more days of BOGOs this week. So happy BOGOing, friends. Yes, yes. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.